Hello everyone. So this is a very smart video on Tollak receptor and their functions. So what are the various types of Tollak receptors? We have Tollak receptor 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. So we will see the functions of each of these. Now before starting, let us see a small story. After that we will come back to this and it will be much more clearer to you. So what is the story? Now we all are mostly awake at night. Generally we wake up till 2 o'clock. So from 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2 we are awake. We watch movies or study or talk with friends or anything we want. We are very positive, we are awake. But as soon as the clock approaches 3, it is very dark, as you must have seen in horror movies. It's very silent and very fearful. So the 3 is the time of fearful. Then when it approaches 4, our mind are full of negative thoughts. But then 5 comes, and what is 5? It's the golden hour in the morning. Many people go out for walks or do yoga, meditation. Obviously we do sleep, but the other people, they do all this kind of stuff. They walk, yoga, meditation, exercise. Then when it approaches 7 is the morning, when the sun rises like properly. We can see it's very harsh. The sunrise is very harsh at this time. So it's the Savera. Then at 9 it's time for work. We go to work or we go to college. So now come back to this. So TLR 2 was for we are perfectly fine, we are enjoying, we are positive. So 2 is for gram-positive bacteria, MTB and bacterial peptidoglycan. Then 3 is the time when it is very silent and we become afraid. So हमें डर लगने लगता है. So this is for double-stranded RNA of the virus. Then 4, by the time of 4 we are full of negativity. So this is for gram-negative bacteria. Then 5, the golden hour, we go for a walk. Now for walk we need some motility. So this is for flagellin, and it's usually dark, so we take a torch. So toxoplasma. Then 7 is the morning, when it is subah, it is Savera. So Savera. Then 9, when we go for work. So bacterial DNA. This is for double-stranded RNA virus and single-stranded RNA virus. Then TLR 9 bind to bacterial DNA. That is, now the work is started. That is, all the methylation through the CG bond will take place. So this is the video, and this sequence which I told relating to the time might seem difficult, but try to imagine it. And we all are medical students, so we can easily relate, right? So that's why I made this, so that it's not difficult and something which you have to memorize. Like, it's very obvious, the story is very obvious and you can easily relate. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.